Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Plum color, lavender color, orange color, gray color, yellow color, light green color, maroon color, rose pink color. A. A for ant. B. B for butterfly. C. C for cow. D. D for dragonfly. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for gorilla. H. H for hippopotamus. I. I for iguana. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for narwhal. O. O for octopus. P. P for panda. Q. Q for quokka. R. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. T. T for tortoise. U. U for umbrella bird. V. V for owl. W. W for wolf. X. X for X-ray fish. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Subscribe.